How to change Netflix country. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how we can change the country on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are multiple reasons as to why you might want to change your region on Netflix. That is simply to unlock the shows that are not natively available in your country. Now, Netflix by themselves does not offer such type of feature, but the only way that we can achieve this is by simply using a VPN. So there are many VPNs out there. Right now at my current state, I'm actually using a paid VPN from IPVanish. Now you can use any of the other VPN applications or services such as Surfshark VPN, Turbo VPN, Tomato VPN, NordVPN. They all work for Netflix, but just make sure that you have a premium one. Now over here you can simply go to the locations tab and connect to the location that you would like to connect to. Then just tap on the connect button, and after you have done that, just reopen Netflix, and then your region or country would have been successfully changed. That's all it takes to change a Netflix country. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.